We are very happy that Container Corporation of India, one of the most professionally managed organization in the country, which promotes containerized cargo as well as other cargo movement and provide logistic support, is now going to set up the first ever multimodal logistic park in Bali station, which will facilitate domestic as well as export-import cargo container movement from Goa, which is presently handled through Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust. This multi-modal logistic park at Bali station is going to cost about 30 crores, which on call 30 crores, not a small amount. On 1 lakh square meter, with the possibility of expanding further, and the logistic park will be able to handle both domestic as well as containerized overseas cargo.
गोंयांत रेल्वेचे ट्रॅक डबलिंग करपाची सामकी गरज आसा, मात कोंकण रेल्वेन सगळें बरोबर करचे परस ट्रॅक डबलिंगाचें काम टप्प्याटप्प्यान करचें म्हूण पर्रीकारान सुचोवणी केली.
Doubling is an absolutely essential, but sometimes I find, of course, Konkan Railway is slightly more flexible than the normal railway. Sometimes I find you plan everything together. Why do you have to plan everything together? So I think if doubling can help in lot, and you need not wait for the full top to bottom doubling together. You can do even in Goa by lengths of 15-20 kilometers. Say 2 or 3 stations could be linked in doubling. So think of it. Konkan Railway has done a lot for the state of Goa in terms of mobility.
सुरेश प्रभून स्टेशनार ऑटोमायज्ड रेल्वे तिकीट मशीनाचें उक्तावण केलें. ह्या तिकीट मशीनाक लागून प्लॅटफॉर्मार तिकेट दिवप, तिकिटा शिवाय भोंवप्यांक तालांव दिवप, फुडल्या प्रवासा खातीर तात्काळ तिकेट दिवप अश्यो गजाली शक्य जातल्यो. प्रुडंटा खातीर दत्तराज नायक.